Hello, here are two Zoom Tees whitening machines, Zoom version 3 and Zoom WhiteSpeed. And this is a standard light guide to be attached to your device. And the special chip in this guide is now replaced with a chip that calls Bleach Infiniter Ultra. And it will make your Zoom device unlimited. Let me show you the way it works. I am attaching the guide. We can see that 4 out of 4 sessions available. Let's press start and launch the first session. Let us stop it. We can see there are still 4 out of 4 sessions available on the screen. We may also turn the device off. And then turn it on after some time. What we can see that there are still 4 of 4 sessions on the screen. Let's press start and launch another session. Let's stop it. You can see that 4 sessions are still here, are still available. So now you can use your Zoom device unlimited number of times. Let's make the same with the Zoom WhiteSpeed machine. I'm attaching the guide with Bleach Infiniter. There are 4 sessions on the screen, and we press start to launch the first session. The device starts working. And let us break the session launched. We can see there are still 4 out of 4 sessions available on Zoom WhiteSpeed machines. We can also turn it off. Turn the power off actually, and turn the power on again after some time. Let's launch another session. Let us change the light intensity from low to medium or to high one. Let's stop the session. We can see 4 out of 4 sessions available again. So you can see that Zoom WhiteSpeed is unlimited too, with Bleach Infiniter Ultra chip. So now you can gain a full control over your Zoom device, and you can save plenty of your money.